Today I'll show you how to upscale and denoise your renders from this to this. I'll be using add-on which is called Super Denoiser, and also I'll be using software which is called Topaz Video AI. Let's start with Denoiser. We'll denoise image sequences, and after that we can throw that images to Topaz Video AI to upscale them. You need to select Pigeon Toolbag tab and you'll find Super Image Denoiser. This is the highest available settings for this denoiser, so feel free to copy them. Don't forget to press Add Super Image Denoiser. You can see at the bottom. It will create main node in Composer. And also don't forget to go on View Layer tab and check all lights: diffuse, glossy, transmission, volume, and also emission and environment. It's very important because it will be connected to our main denoiser node. I was comparing Blender's internal denoiser and Super Denoiser, and here are some samples. And you can see that Super Denoiser does a much better job at denoising, and also it makes details much more visible. Now I will add sequence images. As you can see, I have 33 images, which is around 1 second because I rendered it as a 30 FPS clip. I have created my own preset, so you can check and copy settings from here. I've been doing a lot of testing and the settings work the best. You can enable stabilization, which will make shaky renders less shaky, and also on frame interpolation you can change slow motion 2x value to 4x and maybe even 8x and 10x. It will make render slower and camera movement a bit smoother. Also, as you can see, I have changed the frame rate from 30 FPS to 60 FPS, and also resolution from 1080p to 4K. Now you can just export this video clip and it will start rendering. And here is a side-by-side difference between original and AI upscaled model.